Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Creative ideas for the home are a testament to the boundless possibilities of self-expression and personalization within living spaces. These ideas transcend the conventional, inviting individuals to infuse their homes with unique touches that reflect their personality, interests, and inventive spirit. One avenue for creativity lies in the realm of wall art. Beyond traditional paintings, consider creating a gallery wall with a curated mix of framed photographs, artwork, and even three-dimensional elements like woven baskets or sculptural pieces. Wall decals or murals can transform a space, offering a dynamic and customizable alternative to traditional wallpaper. Innovative storage solutions not only declutter but also add a touch of creativity to the home. Utilize understair spaces, build custom shelving units, or repurpose vintage crates for a unique storage display. Floating shelves or wall-mounted baskets provide both functionality and an opportunity for artistic expression. Lighting design offers endless possibilities for creative expression. Consider statement pendant lights, unique lampshades, or even DIY lighting fixtures crafted from unconventional materials. The strategic use of string lights or LED strips can transform a room, adding ambience and a touch of whimsy. Indoor plant arrangements contribute not only to a healthier living environment but also to creative home decor. Experimenting with diverse plant species, arranging them in unique containers, or creating vertical gardens can turn the home into a vibrant and refreshing oasis. Personalized vignettes and curated displays showcase cherished items and tell a unique story within the home. Collections of vintage cameras, books, or travel souvenirs can be artfully arranged to create focal points that reflect the homeowner's passions and experiences. Innovative use of color can transform a space and evoke specific moods. Consider bold accent walls, unexpected color combinations, or even a gradient effect within a room. Experimenting with non-traditional paint techniques, such as ombre or color blocking, adds a touch of artistic flair to the home. Technological integration can also be a source of creativity. Consider incorporating hidden charging stations or smart mirrors that double as information hubs. In conclusion, creative ideas for the home are a celebration of individuality and a testament to the limitless potential for self-expression. By thinking beyond conventional norms, embracing personal interests, and experimenting with various design elements, individuals can turn their homes into dynamic and inspiring spaces that truly reflect their unique style and creative spirit.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!